Well, on to news from Uttar Pradesh and the polls. One of the most debated topics in the election rallies and elsewhere has been demonetization. Prime Minister Modi pitched it as a war against black money. His rival and UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav has called it a war on the poor. Now, in the state's impoverished Bundelkhand region, a small village of 1,000 people is also debating Notbandi almost every day. There's no consensus yet, but NDTV's Alok Pandey found an undercurrent of anger against the move.
At Lalitpur's Karenga village of 1,000 voters, the Prime Minister's demonetization is a big issue. This is part of UP's impoverished and drought-prone Bundelkhand region. 60-year-old farmer Raghunath managed this wheat crop on his 2-acre field after 4 straight droughts. It cost him 15,000 rupees from seeds to fertilizers to diesel for irrigation. The worst part, he says, sowing season coincided with Notbandi.
अच्छा अखिलेश यादव कहते हैं कि नोटबंदी से किसानों को बहुत तकलीफ हुई, सही कहते हैं कि गलत कहते हैं?
तो उनने सही कही।
अच्छा, क्यों सही कहे?
इसलिए सही कही कि साहब हमको अगर 2,000 की जरूरत है तो साहब 1,000 रुपया मिल रहा हो, इसलिए परेशान है।
Raghunath says repaying these loans to local lenders will cost at least 5,000 rupees more in interest. Karenga is also a village of migrants, like much of Bundelkhand after years of drought. The last 3 months, though, have seen reverse migration too. 25-year-old Ram Singh has been travelling out to far-off places since he was 15. A month ago, he returned from Chennai. His factory couldn't pay him anymore because of demonetization and only cleared half, 5,000 rupees, of his dues. Even so, both Ram and his mother insist Notbandi was the right call.
लेकिन क्या आपको लगता है कि मोदी जी ने जो नोटबंदी का कदम उठाया, सही उठाया गलत उठाया?
सही उठाया, बढ़िया उठाया।
सही क्यों उठाया?
सर उससे वो तो सही है नोटबंदी सर, हम लोगों को परेशानी थी पहले।
हाँ।
और लेकिन नोटबंदी से थोड़ी हुई, लेकिन अब नहीं है उतनी ज़्यादा।
हम तो नोटबंदी से खुश तो हैं, लेकिन आधे मिले तो गुस्सा तो हम भाई हैं पहला।
अच्छा।
हाँ, अब उनने तो बढ़िया करी नोटबंदी।
Nearby, 40-year-old widow Anju Devi doesn't share the sentiment. She earns about 3,000 rupees from this shop. The last 3 months has been very tough, she says.
अच्छा, आपको क्या लगता है मोदी जी ने सही किया या गलत किया?
गलत किया।
गलत किया।
बंद हुए तो पंजा बंद करा।
क्यों गलत किया? हाँ।
सब वही हुआ, माने आदमी ना पैसे ही नहीं रहे तो कितने से
मजदूर आदमी और 10 से करवा दे।
नहीं मिले तो इन्हें पैसा नहीं मिले।
Others in the village, like Vijayabhan Yadav, a petty contractor, agree.
पैसे नहीं है जी के जाते थे वक्त तो पैसे नहीं है, चेक ले जाओ हमसे, हैं? अब चेक ले जाओ तो चेक ले जाएंगे, इन गरीब आदमी को चेक बांटते हो, बताओ साहब, इन्हें मतलब 300 रुपया देने हमें, अब 300 को हम चेक देके दिन भर बैंक में लेने में लगती, हैं? 300 को साहब चेक दे नहीं सकते हम, हैं? तो जी परेशान भाई, हम परेशान भाई, जी हम पे आ गए तो पैसा दो, हमने भैया है नहीं है पैसा, कहाँ से दें?
In Bundelkhand's Karenga village, the election debate is very much around Notbandi or demonetization. Politicians on both sides of the divide have tried to bring these people around to their point of view on Notbandi, but ultimately, the vote is in their hands. In Bundelkhand, with camera person Ramesh Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.